Hello, smart mathematicians. Let's do question 211. Given Q is equal to the square root of b squared minus 4ac, determine the value of Q if a is equal to 2, b is equal to -1, and c is equal to -4. Leave your answer in simplest set form. So here we just have to do substitution. So Q is equal to square root of b squared minus 4ac. And Q is equal to the square root of b is -1, so it's going to be -1 squared minus 4. And then a is 2 times 2. Then c is -4, -4. We put this in the calculator, and then this square root sign, it's like 1 plus 32, which is 33. So Q is equal to the square root of 33.